Hello and welcome. Take a moment to relax, breathe, and settle into this time just for yourself. Today we're going to walk through * complete deep cleansing face care routine designed especially for * prone, oily, combination, and sensitive skin. This is not just about washing your face. This is about understanding your skin, respecting it, and giving it the care it truly needs on a daily basis. Many people struggle with acne, clogged pores, dull skin, or recurring breakouts. Often, it's not because they don't care about their skin, but because they've been following routines that are too harsh, too complicated, or simply not right for their skin type. This step-by-step routine is designed to be gentle yet effective, scientifically grounded, easy to follow daily, suitable for long-term skin health. Whether you are a beginner or someone who has tried countless products without success, this routine will help you reset your skincare foundation from the ground up. 1. Understanding your skin. Very important. Before we touch any cleanser or product, we need to understand one simple truth. Healthy skin starts with balance, not aggression. Acne does mean your skin is dirty. Oily skin does not. Mean you should strip it dry. Sensitive skin does not. Mean you should avoid skincare. The skin barrier explained. Your skin has a natural protective layer called the skin barrier. This barrier keeps moisture inside, keeps bacteria and pollution outside, regulates oil production. When the barrier is damaged, usually from over-cleansing, harsh scrubs, alcohol-heavy products, excessive exfoliation, the skin responds by producing more oil, leading to clogged pores, acne, redness, burning, or irritation. So the goal of deep cleansing is not to punish the skin, but to support it. 2. What is deep cleansing and what it is not? Deep cleansing is cleansing, chin's tea oil, clearing clogged pores, removing sunscreen, pollution, makeup, preparing skin to absorb treatments. Deep cleansing is not scrubbing aggressively, using harsh soaps, burning or stinging the skin, making skin feel tight or dry. If your face feels tight after cleansing, that's a sign of damage, not cleanliness. 3. Pre-cleansing. Preparation. Before starting deep cleansing, always prepare properly. Step 1. Clean hands. Always wash your hands before touching your face. Hands carry bacteria, oil, dirt. Touching your face with unclean hands can undo all skincare efforts. Step 2. Hair away from face. Tie your hair back or use a soft headband. This prevents hair oils transferring to skin, product buildup near the hairline, acne around the forehead. Step 3. Lukewarm water. Only never use hot water. Hot water strips natural oils, weakens skin barrier, increases redness and irritation. Lukewarm water gently opens pores without damaging the skin. 4. First cleansing. Surface cleansing. This step removes sunscreen, pollution, excess oil. Light makeup cleanser type to use. Gentle gel cleanser for oily, acne-prone skin. Cream cleanser for dry, sensitive skin. How much cleanser? About *1 coin size amount appellation. 1. Wet your face with lukewarm water. 2. Take cleanser into your palms. 3. Gently rub hands together. 4. Apply to face using circular motions. Start from forehead, move to cheeks, nose area, chin, jawline. Spend at least 60 seconds cleansing. Most people wash their face for only 10 seconds. This is not enough. Important acne care tip. When cleansing acne-prone skin, do not scrub pimples. Do not press inflamed areas. Be extra gentle around active acne. Let the cleanser do the work. Rinse thoroughly until no residue remains. Leftover cleanser can clog pores and cause irritation. 5. Second cleansing. Deep cleansing. Deep cleansing. This is where true deep cleansing begins. Second cleansing. Cleanse inside pores, removes leftover impurities, balances oil production. Use the same gentle cleanser or a mild acne-safe cleanser. Technique matters more than product. Apply cleanser again and massage gently for *1 to 2 minutes. Focus on nose, blackhead-prone area, chin, forehead. Use light pressure only. Why massage helps: improves blood circulation, helps loosen clogged pores, supports lymphatic drainage. 6. Rinsing and pat dried. Rinse with lukewarm water, then finish with a light splash of cool water. Cool water helps calm skin, slightly tightens pores, reduces redness. Pat dry with the clean, soft towel. Never rub your face. Never use a dirty towel. 7. Mediate post-cleansing care. This moment is critical. After cleansing, your skin is clean, slightly vulnerable, ready to absorb treatment. Never leave skin bare for too long. Apply toner or hydrating mist. Use alcohol-free toner, hydrating essence, rose water, pure, alcohol-free. Purpose: restore skin pH, calm inflammation, prepare skin for acne treatment. Apply gently using palms or cotton pad. 8. Understanding clogged pores. With a quote, pores, a very important. Before we talk about blackhead or whitehead removal, it's crucial to understand why pores get clogged in the first place. Clogged pores are formed when excess oil, sebum, dead skin cells, pollution particles, product residue mix together inside the pore. When this mixture is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark. This is a blackhead. When it stays trapped under the skin, it appears as a whitehead. Important truth: blackheads are not dirt. They cannot be scrubbed away. Trying to force them out with harsh methods often leads to inflamed acne, broken capillaries, scarring, enlarged pores. Deep cleansing is about loosening, not forcing. 9. Steaming. Should you do it? The truth about facial steam. Steam is one of the most misunderstood steps in skincare. Steaming can help soften hardened oil, relax pores temporarily, improve product absorption. Steaming can harm if done incorrectly. Burns skin. Triggers redness. Worsens rosacea. Increases acne inflammation. Who should avoid steaming? Active cystic acne, rosacea-prone skin, very sensitive skin, broken skin barrier. If you fall into this category, skip steam entirely. Safe steaming method, optional. If your skin tolerates it, use warm steam, not hot. Keep face at least 12 to 15 inches away. Limit time to 5 to 7 minutes max. Do it once a week, not daily. After steaming, skin becomes more receptive, but also more delicate. 10. Clay mask for deep cleansing. This is one of the safest and most effective deep cleansing methods for acne-prone skin. Why clay masks work: absorb excess oil, pull impurities from pores, reduce shine, calm inflammation. Best types of clay: kaolin clay, gentle, beginner-friendly; bentonite clay, stronger, oily skin. How to apply clay mask correctly. 1. Apply a thin, even layer. 2. Avoid eyes, lips, and hairline. 3. Do not apply unbroken pimples. 4. Leave on for 8-12 minutes only. Never let clay crack fully. Over-drying damages the skin barrier. Removal. Use lukewarm water. Gently massage while rinsing. Pat dry with clean towel. Immediately follow with hydration. 11. Blackhead and whitehead safe care. What not to do. Very important. No nail squeezing. No sharp tools. No pore strips weekly. No aggressive extraction. These methods damage pores permanently. Safe blackhead reduction method. Use chemical exfoliation, not physical force. Ingredients to look for: salicylic acid, BHA, oil-soluble lactic acid, gentle AHA, niacinamide, oil regulation. How chemical exfoliation works: penetrates inside pores, dissolves hardened oil, prevents future clogs. How often? 2 times per week, max. Never on consecutive days. Apply after cleansing and toning. 12. Exfoliation. The right way exfoliation removes dead skin cells that trap oil and bacteria. Physical scrubs. Harsh for acne. Harsh for acne. Cause micro tears. Chemical exfoliation. Even constrained. Safe exfoliation routine. 1. Cleanse phase. 2. Apply exfoliant 3. Leave on as instructed. 4. Leave on as instructed. 4. Follow with soothing serum warning signs. You're overexfoliating, stinging, burning, redness, sudden breakouts. If this happens, stop immediately. 13. Post-deep cleansing soothing care. After deep cleansing, your skin needs calming, not more treatment. Apply aloe vera gel, centella asiatica, panthenol, green tea extract. Purpose: reduce inflammation, repair skin barrier, prevent irritation. 14. ACNF serum application. This is where acne care begins. Best beginner acne ingredients: niacinamide, 5% cincoxylic acid, apply 2-3 drops only. Massage gently until absorbed. 15. Moisturizing is non-negotiable. Even oily acne-prone skin needs moisturizer. Skipping moisturizer causes more oil production, worse breakouts, dehydration, acne. Choose lightweight gel moisturizer, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, apply evenly and gently. 16. Hourfin to deep cleansing. Deep cleansing does not mean daily heavy treatments. Ideal frequency: clay mask, 1x per week, chemical exfoliation, 1-2x per week, steaming, optional, 1x per week max. Daily routine should stay simple and gentle. Common mistakes that worsen acne: over-cleansing, over-cleansing, mixing too many actives, changing products too often, ignoring hydration, touching face frequently. Consistency beats intensity. Thank you for watching.